A practice mode option can belong to the individual game you're playing through Mistplay, not to Mistplay itself. That means if practice mode is locked or missing, the issue may be inside the game rather than with your Mistplay account. By the end, you'll know what to check in Mistplay, what to check inside the game, and when reinstalling is actually worth trying. First, open Mistplay and check the game's listing instead of assuming every game includes the same modes. Mistplay's game selection varies by region, and the available games and features can change. Mistplay also describes its platform as a way to discover mobile games, with rewards based on playing those games and reaching specific checkpoints. In Mistplay in one dial. So if you installed a game from Mistplay and practice mode isn't available, launch the game directly, and check its own menus. Look for options such as practice, training, tutorial, or a similar mode. Some games only make those options available after you reach a certain point in normal gameplay. Next thing to check is whether the game itself has actually unlocked the mode. Mistplay cannot force a game feature to become available if the developer has locked it behind progression or another requirement. Also check that you installed the game through the Mistplay listing you're using. If you already had the same game installed before starting it through Mistplay, the tracking setup can behave differently from a fresh installation. If the Mistplay listing specifically instructs you to install the game, follow that installation path. If practice mode still doesn't appear, completely close both apps and reopen Mistplay first, then launch the game again. This refreshes the connection between the game session and Mistplay. If the game has an update available, install it before trying anything more drastic. An outdated game can have different menus or features from the current version. Finally, don't immediately clear Mistplay's data or uninstall everything. If your concern is missing practice mode, first determine whether the mode is missing inside the game itself. If the game has practice mode for other players, but it remains unavailable on your installation, then reinstalling the game may be worth considering, provided you understand how that game stores your progress. The key points are simple. Practice mode is usually a game-level feature. Mistplay's game catalog and availability can vary, and the game may require progression before the mode appears. Your next step is to open the affected game directly and check its own practice or training menu before changing anything in Mistplay. If this fixed the issue, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.